Happy holidays,
How you doing, Zach? Or Santa, I mean. Hello. What's up? Zach Santa.
Merry Christmas, young lady.
Merry Christmas.
Take care now.
Put that in your change bag. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas. Oh!
Oh, thanks, Santa.
Oh.
Hi, Santa.
Hey, Brett, what do you got here that you want for Christmas? Well, first of all, tell us who you are and what you do.
I'm Brad. I'm the assistant manager at Thunderbird. That's the
What you got?
I want an Audio Technica turntable. Plugs into your computer.
We saw those. Yeah, very nice.
I want Total Recall on DVD because I don't have a Blu-ray player.
It's time to get hip, brother.
The Beck song, though. You can only play this album.
What?
You can't hear it. You can only play it. It's music. Sheet music.
You kids.
Banana.
Nice. Yeah, Brett's just whipping through it.
The Hulk. That's all you really need.
Yeah, that's a pretty cool collectible. We have some collectibles here at the Thunderbird. And books, we got tons of books.
Yes, we do.
What do you want for Christmas? What do you want for Christmas? Like
Well,
this stuff, but what do you want?
Well, I want my baby girl to be born safely and happily.
I want to kiss you on the mouth. Thunderbird. Sleigh Bells goes in front of Smith.
Sleigh Bells goes in the
I feel you, homie, but look. You got Smashing Pumpkins, Elliott Smith, and Sleigh Bells right there. Get it right!
Is that okay, Santa?
Yes. Alex, what do you have there?
I got a Squire Stratocaster, only $59.99.
Hey, here's the thing. When you're getting ready to shoot a video, why don't you know what you're going to point out before you have to look at the notes? That's what you want. They have this at Zia?
They have this at Zia.
Zia
Now,
Thunderbird.
taking guitars.
And instruments. What do you got over there, Chris?
I got a PS3.
Why don't you get in front of the camera?
Okay. As it says, but I already looked at, 160 gigs, $169.99.
That's $1 a gig.
That's $1 a gig.
You can watch Netflix.
It's true.
You can play video gaming. All kinds of gaming. Right?
Yes.
Frogger, Tetris, Super Mario Fudge.
Call of Duty, a little more modern.
Sure.
Elder Scrolls.
Sure, if that's what you're into.
Games.
Come on by Zia.
Happy